why you can't make at least $500 net profit with Clickbank affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2024. Now in this short 7-minute video, I'm going to show exactly and tell you why you cannot make this profit and why gurus are lying to you on Clickbank. The first thing they say, find a product, pick a niche, which is true. But then they tell the big lie, which is go and search product by gravity, which is the most sold. What they don't tell you, the secret of gravity, is that most of affiliates, I would say 97% of them, push traffic. It means audience, not from the Facebook ads, not from YouTube ads, not from Google ads, but from email marketing. They make all their money from email. Those big name affiliates. That's why the gravity is very huge, and you as a newbie, again, it's not your fault, but you think, oh, this is great product, and it doesn't work out. The second thing is supplements are harder to sell than info products. You see, if I promote manifestation info offer, why do you think I can earn $2,000 a day in profit? The reason why is because if you compare to supplements you get it physical form. Not immediate, not instantly, but instant gratification happens to the people who are buying those products. So info products I would choose if I were you, and if I needed fast way to make $500 to $1,000 a day in profit, right? I will go after info product first. Then the second thing is traffic source. You see, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, whatever, everything works. But not everything works for the same product, for same niche, for same audience. Why? Google ads, the first thing on Google ads is what? Buyer's intent. You target people by keywords. Long-term negative keywords and stuff like that, right? Social media ads, again, different form. You need to use emotional storytelling, emotional ad copies. For females or males, you use different ad copy, not the same, right? But every guru on Clickbank is selling you BS idea. Just copy and paste this same landing page and it will work. It will not work. Why? Because no AI voices are gonna do the job for you. It's a big lie, it's a scam, right? That they're telling you. Affiliate marketing is not that. It works really beautifully if you know how to do it. If you know how to position your landing page and use 5 pre-sale points, how to make your ad copy work for different segment of audiences. Again, as I mentioned, if you remember, we have males and females. And ad copy for males is different than ad copy for females because core emotions of those markets are different. For example, for females, women, core emotions are safety and security. For men is status and stuff like that, right? So I go deeper and deeper of psychology of ads. So once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step over the Zoom call together to connect and hand-holding you step-by-step, then you can get your first €100, $500 per day in profit with MaxWeb or Clickbank in this case, right? So ask yourself, if you already knew how to make the money, you wouldn't be watching this video right now, but you don't. And the reason you don't know how to make money on Clickbank is because you tried all these BS courses, you tried everything and didn't work out, right? And now when you have a chance with someone to help you personally get the results, you can start to begin to naturally start getting the results with Facebook ads, or in this case, Google ads, right? So it really matters to have someone to help you personally, one-on-one, step-by-step, if you want to get results, right? So I would pick info product, as I said before. Average order value is very important, and upsell take rate is very important. One person is going to buy your whole funnel. What do I mean by that? On Clickbank, you have info product for $7 or $27 or $49. This is front-end offer. Front-end, we call it. First, they're gonna buy first product, and then they're gonna buy the upsells. And one person gonna make you $200 or $350 in one day from one person on Clickbank. So gonna make you all the money back. You're gonna get your break-even point. You're gonna make all your money back from your ad spend plus profit in one day, in 24 hours. Again, you need to do it correctly. As I told you, I gave you some of the secrets that I'm sure you never heard before. Low emotional states, high emotional states, audiences, ad copy, emotional storytelling, short form, long form, all matters. Structure of ads and deep marketing psychology. So the only way you can do that is paying tens of thousands of dollars in coaching fees, or you can get someone to help you get it done for you and to get it done with you so you can understand and also earn in the same time, right? So if you're really serious, if you are ready to invest in yourself and get some really great results, I'm talking about $10,000, $15,000 per month in net profit with affiliate marketing, and if you have at least 20 or 30 minutes a day, then this can work and will work for you. Again, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, or leave a comment. I have WhatsApp number, email, Instagram. I'm sharing all my travelings I do because of affiliate marketing. Again, on Facebook, reach out to me. If you cannot find me, email me or send me a WhatsApp message. Everything is in the description under each video. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, and thank you for watching.